What gets you up in the morning? If it's looking forward to a day where you will help improve the health of animals around the world, where your voice will be heard and your contribution will count, then you'll be in good company at MSD Animal Health New Zealand. Every day, doors will open for you to step up and make a contribution to the development and production of vaccines and technologies for farm animals and pets. And you can follow many career path choices with us, because we're a global leader in the animal biotech industry and the preferred partner of farmers, veterinarians and pet owners through the market-leading products and brands we represent. However, as a global company, we maintain a local focus with representation throughout the country, with the mainstay of our manufacturing and animal health intelligence activity found here in the North Island. Really, our New Zealand operation brings so much potential to where you can go here. Whether it's veterinary science, laboratory research, manufacturing, technology, administration, supply chain logistics, or sales and marketing, we can take you further. And we understand that the delivery of animal health also depends on the science of looking after our people. So, if you want a future that's full of surprises in a company that's founded on good science, come and join us here in Wellington, a vibrant city in the heart of nature and local culture. It brings a healthy dose of personal adventure within a world-class lifestyle. And for the daily commute, a rush hour that brings a smile. So, make job satisfaction an everyday experience. Join us. MSD Animal Health, the science of healthier animals.